So in this video, I'm just going to show you really quick how I have my file system set up. I think it's really important when developing in Python or any programming language to have a file system that works and that is organized. So here I have my documents folder. I usually do this on my desktop, but we're going to use documents today. So I usually create a development folder, and if you double click on it, it's full of folders. Each of these folders will have Python programs in them, so like Guess the Number has Guess the Number program. Rock, Paper, Scissors got put in the wrong folder. Rock, Paper, Scissors will have those files. And then I have a teaching folder because I teach, and so these are kind of some of the various programs that we create for that. On my actual development folder, this is just my teaching folder, but on my actual development, I'll actually have it set up where it's Python, and then development will be inside of that. And then I also have a freelance. Why are you not doing an F? Being weird. Freelance folder, and then inside of that are current and finished projects. And then inside of each current and finished project, I'll have the name of the client, and then inside of that is all the Python files organized into even more folders. So yeah, there's a lot of folders. When you're running programs from the command prompt, it can get kind of complicated, but for beginning, it's super important to keep yourself organized, so you know exactly where things are at, and it's easy to find stuff. So that's the end of this tutorial, but having a good file system is really important to keep things organized.